seeing if this stuff will buy me any time on my 5 SFE engine in my 99 Camry. I put over 100,000 miles on this car. I got it with 148,000 on it 4 years ago. I changed the timing belt and water pump myself with an Asian kit. But here's a real rudimentary test when you have the engine starting to have a problem. I don't know if I think it's top end, because I ran a compression test, and last I checked, the lowest cylinder was 150, which is not the best, but is decent. Well, what I had seen is that 1, 2, and 3 were all about 180. Number 4, which I have a misfire code for cylinder 4, was 150. But yeah, I don't think the cylinder's still got okay compression. So I think it's in the top end. I think my head gasket's failing. That's why I'm trying this stuff out to see if it'll buy me some time. But here's a real rudimentary test you can do. So you see, you pull a plug, you pull wire, and if the sound sounds the same, the engine continues to sound the same, then that cylinder is probably bad. My spark plug wire's a little screwed up. You can see it's got spark. Damn, the wire's a little screwed up. Oh, maybe I should try another wire. That'd be crazy if that fixed the issue. But yeah, it continues to sound the same, but when you pull the other one, it definitely sounds worse. But maybe my test is null and void, because I just realized that wire's bad. I'm gonna go see if I have another wire and see if that fixes my misfire.